Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down. Then click on Apps section. Now you need to choose Dual Apps and click on Create. Finally, click on the switcher next to an app that you wish to clone. I will go with Files. Over here, you need to choose Turn On in the pop-up, and after a couple of seconds, when I go back, I can see that my app was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete your app, hold it and choose Uninstall, or go into exactly the same settings and tap on the same No Blue switcher. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!